undisputed. I'm breaking up another season. I've been up on the stats. Now would you look at that? Undefeated, locked and loaded. We about to go. Caught him with the left, I leave him tucked out on the floor. Sounding itchy, sticky, swishy, watch me then could score. Up in the boat, I'm in the zone, yeah. Go try to find a breath. Turn the tone and beat my chest. This ain't over the play. Just like a big and cutting that. Bring on my big up again. Like clean chest and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they'll never ever slow me down. This is my show. This is my life. They know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm waking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that? I pop on with the jumper, then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna, making do the most. Not enough. I'm just warming up. We up in the cut. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Turn it up. Two-step to cruise scanner, you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun. I was studying bias, but now pull the sun. But I'm shit on the road, talk shit. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they never ever slowing me down. Oh, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm breaking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that? Hey, even though it's been a long way, even at the top, I'm right away. And we do it all again. Just remember the time, remember the climb. Not a glitter and shine. Oh, we on top of the mountain. Need I remind you? They know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm waking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that?
Let's give it up for Icon!
Grabe naman ang kanilang performance. Pero alam mo, pre, I'm very surprised na nag-costume change sila.
Oo nga eh, feeling ko ikaw yung isa sa mga hidden member nila eh.
Oo nga eh. Oo, parang ano pre, sasayaw na dapat daw eh.
Yan, undefeated. Ay,
Ito yung kaya ko guys. Lumalabas talaga yung edad ko dito.
Pero ang bilis ng panahon. Nandito na tayo.
Kanina, iba yung damit nila, no? Tapos ngayon, iba na ulit. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon.
Alam mo, konti na lang. Oy! Ayan na! Huli na ang lahat! Oh, bigyan! 1, 2, oh! Grabe naman yan! Sabi na nga ba may tinatago ang gilas eh. Kailangan lang meron kang kasama na nakapula. Pero mamaya, gusto namin tawagin lahat ng mga naka-Deadpool, no? Parang gusto kong
Okay, gusto ko din
sumayaw,
tawagin mamaya
no?
lahat ng Deadpool para sumayaw ng kanta na yun.
Pero, again, maraming salamat, no, Icons, no? Binigay nyo na naman ng lahat. Meron biglang nag-sponsor gitna, eh, no?
Oo
Nakita nyo
nga
ba
eh,
yun?
may bagong dating bigla.
Talaga ba kung yung timing yun?
Feel ko siya magandang tanongin, bakit sila nagbihis ng red bigla?
Oo nga eh, bakit red yung gusto nyo ngayon na parang color scheme? Sinong pwedeng makasagot? Ayan, nagturuan na. Hindi
Ayan na, nagtuturoan na. Doon tayo sa bagong member, pre. Sa hindi natin nakita kanina.
Oh, 1, 2.
Ay, pataya pa talaga sila, oh.
Maiba taya. Maiba taya. Ang hirap, wala ka
Wala
sasagot.
pa ba? Wala mo bibigay
Pero
talaga eh.
sabihin na lang natin, ito yung gusto nila ngayon na pagkasunduan.
Ah.
Na yun yung pinaka nararamdaman nila right now. Na naging sobrang mahangas. Pero ito! Pinakita ko!
Ah.
Commander! Commander! Sasagyo, sir! Sir, ma'am! Ma'am, Commander! Thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat ng
Servisyo mo.
servisyo po. Grabe, meron pa tayong ano dito, no? Sa Sagio Veteran.
Oo nga eh.
Ano? Gusto niyo pa bang sumayaw? Meron pa ba kayo?
Pahinga na daw. Pahinga na daw, pre. Yan
Pahinga
ang maganda
na.
gawin. Magpahinga muna
Okay,
tayo.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Thank you so much, Aiko, no? Pwede na po kayong magpahinga. And yung result, syempre, no?